Okay, so today we're going to talk about why you should hire an assistant really early on. As soon as you can afford it, you should get a personal assistant or an executive assistant to support you in your business. So one thing I notice with a lot of consultants, when they are starting their business, they are replying to every single message. And this makes them very accessible. And the moment you're accessible, you get people to take advantage of this. So I noticed this in my business when I was replying to all of my emails myself. Every time I was reply to them, they would see this as an opportunity. Oh, I got you. And they send me like follow-up messages and like trying to get some information out from you. And it's like really drifting quickly into like an unprofessional edge where people like blurring the boundaries between like professional questions and personal life. What I did right in the beginning was I hired a personal assistant, and I made sure that she would reply to all of my emails, and all of my emails would be redirected directly into her inbox, and she would reply to all the emails. And what I noticed is that a lot of times there was a really quick change of tone when people like how they're responding. Suddenly you realize they were really polite. They were like not demanding anymore. They were taking this way more professional. Actually, the amount of emails that my assistant had to take care of dramatically reduced. They were taking this like more seriously as a business. If you're running a business and you don't have an assistant, it means like you are either like a one-man band and they feel like, yeah, they can like take advantage of this. Well, nobody would do the same if it's like a big company, like with 20 employees. If you can't afford an assistant, you can oftentimes get a virtual assistant on a part-time basis you might make an arrangement that you pay them per email, how many emails they answer for you, or you might pay them a certain amount of hours per week, and whatever they can get done in that time will get done. So you can keep your costs low. And once you're like scaling up, you can get someone like dedicated, pay them half time, move them over to full time, and then you can slowly build this up and get your business on the right track.